What's good, everybody? We got the trio tins. Couldn't find that one in the tin like this, but you know what? We're gonna go ahead and do it. And we're gonna go uno, dos, tres. Just thought that'd be kind of funny. But the only one I have right now is the mulchers. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. So this one only has 4 packs in it. The rest of them have 5. So let's get this out of here without hurting the card, which is going to be kind of difficult. I don't know why they put them in there like that. But these are just so beautiful. Go ahead and put this in a sleeve real quick. There we go. All right, get our 4 packs. We're going to pull some gold today, y'all. Or something. We got to. We got, what is it, 14 packs total? So 5, yeah, 14. So yeah, we're gonna pull some gold out of here. We got to. If not, I just don't think they're real. I've seen them, but let's go. All right, that's how we're gonna start it off. It's gonna be a good day, y'all. It's gonna be a good day. Come on, next pack. Next pack. If anybody wants all this bulk, just let me know, and I'll send it to you. Because all it does is go to little kids, and then clog up my house. Come on. Let's go. Oh, and a Rotom V-Star. I can't remember how to say his name. I'm not good with names, but just look at that. That's the second pack, y'all, out of 14. Back-to-back hits. There's gonna be gold today, y'all. Gold today. We got a bunch of crazy stuff coming up, y'all. Like, just had a pretty good weekend. Came back, got a bunch of stuff. Duraludon V. Just a hit in every pack. We got a bunch of crazy cards in the mail. We got mystery boxes in the mail. We got some pretty cool stuff that's going to be added to the collection. Like, I mean, nothing crazy, but just some stuff that were for the DS. I ain't going to say too much because I just can't wait to show y'all. And a Magmortar. This is my second one of this one I've pulled. So let's go ahead and put the hits to the side. Grab this bulk. Move it out of the way. Zapdos. Here we go. Yeah, we went down to Florida for a couple days for Easter for my son, and decided to check out their Walmart because my Walmart don't sell Pokemon cards. Very upset about it. We got our 5 packs. Put the tins to the side. Let's go ahead and get this out of here without damaging it. Throw all that to the side. Then we got our Zapdos. Which way is the sleeve open? There we go. And then on to our next 5 packs. Let's get it. But got a lot of cool stuff coming up very soon. Just got the new phone, so means more posts. Come on, let's get it. I tried doing some trades and stuff, and then the card shop down there just they didn't want to help me out any. Ditto, Luxury non-hollow. They had some pretty cool stuff. I was trying to get a Celebrations box, but they weren't wanting to work with me. They only wanted like 3 cards out of the 100 that I took in there. Oh, already messed it up, but look at that. That's a beautiful card. Oh my God. Let's go. Need the sleeves. Need the sleeves. Let's hurry this up before anything gets on it. That's a double banger right there. Look at that. That is one stacked pack. Dude, that is crazy. We still got 3 more in this box. Crown Zenith is just blessing us today. Come on. What else can we get out of this crazy box here? Next one. Oh, and a non-hollow. That's fun, because that Pikachu just definitely set us up. We still got a whole other 10, y'all. It's crazy. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh. I hate when that happens. Non-hollow, that's fine, that's fine. Come on. Can we get some last pack magic? Pack is stuck. There we go. Come on. There's got to be some gold in here. Somewhere. Come on, come on. Bidoof. And the Mew. That's fine. Alrighty. Last box. And probably my favorite one. Just, I've always liked Moltres. I've always been the fire type guy. But still love all the artworks in this. Crazy cards. This is going to be my second one of this. Yeah, second one. Go ahead and get this out of here. So this one's going to go to my wife, because I already have the promo. She was wanting it. So sleeve that up. And then we got our last 5. Come on. Can we find the gold today? Come on. Is it going to be in here? Look at that. Cardina's Vigor. And a Simisear V-Star. Yo, we're getting the good stuff today. I hope there's some gold in here, because I don't want to buy it. Like, I want to be able to pull it. Those Umbreons back there, like, I just had the chance. I bought them. You know, I opened so much celebrations. Could barely get anything out of them. I don't know how people are pulling Charizards back to back. But in the Manaphy Galarian Gallery. And the Calyrex. Gonna sleeve that up. 1 second. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Had to get all the birds together. Come on. Is the gold gonna be in here? I think I messed that up. Okay, that's fine. We got a Radiant. Yeah, because I looked down and seen that the rare was on top. But it's fine. We still got a Radiant Eternius. Alright, let's see. We got one more pack after this. We gotta get some gold. Come on. Please bring me some gold. and another Mew. May have to buy them, guys. May have to buy them. Can it be in here? Oh, those are dinged. That sucks. Come on. We're going to slow roll this. Energy Retrieval, Larvesta, Shinx, Pawniard, Friends in Hisuian, and a non-hollow. But thank y'all for watching. We got the birds. All 3 birds. I know it's kind of late opening all of them, but we got some pretty good pulls in here. But thank y'all for watching, and see you next time.